Welcome to the in front of me HardReset.X7, and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display feature on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter the Muviz Edge application. And now we should get this first application because unfortunately we have now installed by default the AOD feature. That's why we should use the application from the Play Store. And now just let's open the application here, click to draw our apps, and here we should find our app and tap once on the switcher. Then just go back again to the application, tap here to AOD and select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one, tap to apply. Now just let's lock the device, and we can see that the Always On Display feature is successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.